Of course, I would like to thank some people. Like, yung backdrop natin is of course by Pastor Iman Mesa. Make out, and of course, sa Island ECC ladies, thank you so much. You are the heroes behind this. They've been serving and will serve us until our event is over. So thank you so much. And again, pastors from different churches, visitors, guests, thank you for celebrating with us today. So this is the moment you have been waiting for. We have all been waiting for. So, drum roll please. The other one. Ang tanong, gagraduate ba lahat? Alam niyo sa mga hindi lang sila nag-effort sa klase, nag-effort po yung aming mga estudyante at mga facilitators to dress up for today's occasion. So, let's start giving out these certificates, and let's start with Jubilee International Filipino Fellowship. We would like to thank and call Pastor Ruel Lue. Of course, andito siya, Reese.
Dito siya, guys!
Guys! So, Pastor Ruel, thank you for being on. Of course, Beth is also here. Reese, and I think your group, your disciples, the ladies from Jubilee, are here. Thank you for supporting your students. Alright. Let's start with Desi G. Olive. But before that, so this is to certify that our students have satisfactorily completed the Simply Mobilizing Kairos course held at Island Evangelical Community Church, Hong Kong from August 24 to October 19, 2025, signed by the head facilitator, Doris Chun. So again, Desi G. O'Neill. Kahit hindi nyo pa church, pakipalakpakan nyo. Alright, thank you so much. Next, we have Mylene A. Moreno. Congratulations. Thank you, Pastor Ruel. From another church, we'd like to call, of course, call Sister Emma Bagdad, the Missions Minister Head of International Assemblies of the Firstborn Church, and Pastora Jean Cobrador, Prayer Warrior Ministry Head of the church, to give out the certificate of their students. None other than Anne-Marie C. Thank you so much, pastors, and thank you so much, Marie. Okay, another graduate from Shalom Christian Fellowship Tunjung Community, and we would like to call Pastor Rosario Erson Cristobal to give out her certificate. So let's call Melissa V. Versosa. And of course, Pastor Stein. Husband and wife giving out the certificate. Alright, thank you so much for And of course, from the International Church of the Nazarene, the very senior Filipino Giant Olympiad. To give out the certificates of Elena Q. Lancia. Thank you so much, Elena. And let's call Sharon P. Obama. And of course, we'd like to call the most outspoken student of Kairos this year, Mary Grace M. Benfranco. The most spoken, the most. Wow! Thank you so much, Mary Grace. Next, let's call Rosel P. Garcia. Sa mga seniors, later, you can bring on the flowers and the wheat. Iwanan nila po yung bill sa atin. Next, let's call Angeli T. Castillo. Sister Me, another Kairos facilitator. Thank you so much, Angeli. Next, let's call Mary Angie Tabunan. Thank you so much, Pastor Iman. Ay, wait, sorry. Sorry, wait. Tama natin yung PowerPoint. Mary Ann Tabunan.
Yes.
Sorry, thank you, Pastor Iman, sa maaga. Thank you so much, Marian. Next, let's call Gemma O. Ipos.
Saan ba siya nakaupo? Saan siya nakaupo si Gemma?
Thank you so much, Gemma. Another one from ICN, Carolina F. Cruz. So royal. Chinese, no? Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much, Carolina. Next, let's call Pamela Jane A. Alvarez. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Next, let's call Janice A. Era. So beautiful in your attire. Salamat sa mga suporta ng mga churches. Thank you for supporting your church mates. Thank you so much, Janice. Next, let's call Sarah Joy C. Believe. Again, even if they are not from your church, please palakpakan naman natin. Kumita ang flower shop sa akin yun. Ang daming pabulaklak.
Flower.
Next, let's go. Maria Teresa S. Maso. Of course, we have Lenita from another Kairos facility. And last student from ICF, she's not here. She's not here with us dahil hindi siya nakalabas. But of course, Pastor Janet will accept the certificate for Rono and Alright, next students from Kowloon International Baptist Church. And I would like to call Pastor Kelly Kosonoki to hand your certificates, ladies. And he will stay also for the Island DCC ladies. First from KIPC is Edna G. Laurenciano. Another lady from KIPC, Rowena L. Pelayo. And last but not the least from KIPC, the mother, Luisa C. Sarabia. We were together in one church in the Philippines before. So we went to the same church in the Philippines. So I've known him for a long time. Alright, now let's go to Island ECC. Reynalida S. Cruz.
Luisa Sarabia. Ay, rin ba po?
Mayor Liz. Next, let's go. Edralyn C. Wow, pinagandaan, may pa-teddy bear. May pa-lights. May pa-staff toy and everything. Thank you so much, ladies. Next, let's go Evangeline E. Loresca. Sige. Inawi pa kami pabulak-bulak. Hindi kami nagpakulit pala. Thank you so much, ladies. Next, we have Jessa J. Abdul. Si Jessa, I prayed for her to take Kairos for 3 years. And I'm glad that she took it this year.
Oy, bayan.
Si Ate Lisa, pinag-pray ko ng 6 years. For her to take Kairos. So finally 6 years after. Next, we have Charlie May B. Loresca.
Ganda ng ano niya, outfit niya. Actually, maganda siya.
So good to see everyone so beautiful today.
Ganda kaya.
Next, we'll call Rodelyn B. Espanola. Are you getting used? And, alright, next we have Annalyn E. Burdenshaw.
Oh, Japanese! Japanese! Grabe! Oh, oh, oh.
Next for Island DCC, Evangeline T. Calabit. Modern no? So modern. Alright. Thank you so much, Pastor Kevin. Thank you. We have another one, MJ, the Panay, who is not here because she's with her employer in Thailand. So congratulations.
Kasi si Banji
Congratulations, ladies. And again, it's our prayer that you will live out what you have learned from the Kairos course. So again, let us prepare our hearts as we listen to another patriotic song, the dadalhin sa atin ni Sharon, ni Gloria, and ni Ronald. And then in the middle, they will ask you to stand. So be ready for that. Again, ladies and gentlemen, that's called our favorite trio.